Welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I will show you how to prepare delicious and very simple pasta carbonara with just few ingredients, and let's get cooking. For today, homemade carbonara pasta, I need linguine, Parmesan cheese, oil, smoked jowl. You can use the bacon. I got a smoked jowl, so I will use it. 2 egg yolks, fresh black pepper, and a little bit of green parsley. And let's go start it. You can see smoked jowl is pretty thick. If you want to use bacon, you have to choose the very thick slices. First step, I will remove the skin from the pork. This hard part, and cut pork large cuts. Okay, pork is cut. Little bit oil. The skillet is hot. And I will saute pork till it's nice and brown and crispy. You see the pork looking good. Almost done. I will cook pasta. I will grate Parmesan cheese. I need 1/3 of cup. For this recipe I use Parmesan cheese and Romano cheese. Perfect. Now I will combine cheese and egg yolks. Now I will whisk all ingredients together. Now I'm adding fresh black pepper, a little bit, salt, pinch of salt. Put a little bit pork on the side. Next step, I'm adding pasta. Pasta is cooked, so I'm adding pasta with water. Look at this. I'm adding more water. Oh, look at this. A little bit salt, black pepper. Next step, I turn off the heat. The pasta goes on the side, and now I'm adding eggs and the cheese. It'll be a very quick process. I add some water to my eggs, and now I'm adding everything to the pasta, and a very quick mix. Look at this, beautiful and creamy, no clumps, it's just perfect. A little bit green. Look at this smooth, creamy carbonara pasta. Now I will serve this beautiful, creamy pasta. More Parmesan cheese. A little bit crispy. Smoked jowl. A little bit green. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.